friends, and welcome back to the Life Upgrade Challenge, which is a series of rituals designed to help us realize our dreams in 2024. So this challenge includes 5 rituals to help us close 2023 in the best way possible and step into 2024 with an actionable plan to turn our dreams into our reality. So if you're ready to upgrade every single aspect of your life, join us on the Life Upgrade Challenge, because today, in this third video, we are going to reimagine our vision for our lives. Today, we're going to build a vision board, but before that, we're going to do 2 thought-provoking journaling exercises. They'll really help us align our values and goals with our actions and routines. You don't need to do the 3 exercises, just pick the ones that serve you best. You guys already know about my obsession with Notion, so I put together a super cool Notion template to guide us through these 5 New Year's rituals. And the best part? You can get it for free. Yes, this is my gift to you, so hit the link in the description below to get free access now. I mentioned in my previous YouTube videos and on my Instagram that I was thinking of running 2 live workshops on goal setting and planning at the start of 2024, and I was overwhelmed with your response. You guys seem to love the idea. So yes, the workshops are going ahead and you can sign up for free using the link in the description. I'm so excited to sit down with you to set our goals and priorities and also design an ideal weekly routine to allow us to realize our dreams in 2024. Let's get started with our Reimagine Ritual. The main goal today is for us to deeply understand what is it that we truly want, so we can clearly articulate our dreams and aspirations. In the words of Robin Sharma, everything is created twice, first in the mind, then in reality. Envisioning our dream life is the first step in creating it. There are many misconceptions around how vision boards work. Some people think they don't work at all, they're just some sort of a woo-woo mystical thing, and I get why they think that way, but we will discuss that later. I know that most people won't take the time to do these exercises, and that is why most people end up poor, overweight, and alone when they wanted to be rich, fit, and have a great partner. If you don't want to be most people, you need to learn how to envision a great life for yourself and work towards creating it. Basically, everything starts with a vision. From there, you can set goals, then create a plan, and finally execute the plan by investing your time and energy more intentionally to realize your dreams. I know it won't be easy, it will take a lot of honesty, courage, and work, but it will be worth it, because not doing it will create a lot of pain in the future in your life. The first exercise is called Be, Do, Have. However, I personally prefer to reverse it. That's because it's generally easier for us to think about the things we want to have, and from there we can define the things we need to do and who we need to be to have it. Describe the type of person you need to become. Write down the values, beliefs, traits, and skills you need to develop in order to become the type of person that does the things you need to do to get the things you want to have. I know it's a bit complex, but I really hope that the examples will help you. The second exercise is intention setting. But you might be wondering, what are intentions in the first place? Intentions are guiding principles or values that a person commits to follow in their daily life. Intentions help you align the things that you actually do with the person you aspire to be. Here are some examples that might help you set yours. As you can can see, they're typically more about the journey, approach, or process rather than the destination, result, or outcomes. It's more about the way you want to live, feel, and engage with the world and others. In the third exercise, you're going to create a vision board of your dream life in 2024. Include images of the things you dream to have, the things you need to do to realize those dreams, and also of the person you wish to become. You can also add some of your intentions, affirmations, or mantras that connect you with your vision. There's no right or wrong way of doing a vision board, but here are some things that I personally do and love. My vision board is a picture of the dream life I want to have. So it includes images of my ideal home and work environment, sports and activities I love doing, experiences and trips I want to do, and obviously my family and friends. There's so much power in creating a visual representation of the life you want to have and connecting with it every day. It keeps you motivated and accountable because you don't lose sight of what you're striving for. So it helps you persist and overcome the challenges when the going gets tough. Some people think that vision boards don't work. Well, vision boards don't work if you don't do the work. If you expect to put together a vision board and that it will just manifest itself magically, I'm sorry to tell you, but that is very unlikely the case. You do actually need to do the work. Mind-blowing, right? I personally think that vision boards are a great tool for us to visualize the life we want to have and connect with that vision every day. Doing that every day gives us clarity on what we want to achieve and the motivation to keep working towards it. I recommend that you print out your vision board or set it as the wallpaper on your devices. I personally have it as the wallpaper in my laptop and I love it. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you're still here, it means that you got a lot of value from this video. So consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more. I really recommend that you do at least one of these exercises, so make sure to download the Notion template in the link below and get started now. I hope to see you at the live workshops. It's gonna be a great opportunity for you to set yourself up for success in 2024. So don't forget to sign up for free using the link below. In the next video, we are going to set the goals for 2024. So make sure to come back for it and I will see you there.